Good morning everyone, it's me Louie Corpuz. It's flag raising ceremony today, Monday in Baguio City Hall. So let's go. We are here in Camp Allen. Just below is Baguio City Hall, so it's very near. We're early, it's 6:30. We will be joining the flag raising ceremony again, so let's go. Okay, we are already here in Baguio City Hall. So it's the flag raising ceremony.
Even in times like this, we are reminded to be grateful for the simple but profound gift of life. The recent celebration of Lent is a reflection of hope and love, inspiring us to be kind and compassionate. Building upon this achievement and in recognition of the city's sustained dedication to quality, we now invite Mr. Roger Villanueva, the Director for Business Assurance of SGS Philippines Incorporated, to formally confer the ISO certification. And also our officials, we invite also our officials led by
Management System Standard. Ang pagkakamit ng ISO 9001-2015 ay hindi simpleng pagkilala lamang. Ito ay patunay ng masinop na pamamahala, ng malinaw at epektibong mga proseso at ng taus-pusong malasakit sa mamamayan ng lungsod ng Baguio. Ang ISO 9001-2015 emphasizes strong leadership, risk-based thinking, process efficiency, and
we also call on our department heads and the quality management system team to receive the plaque or the certification for the city government of Baguio.
Okay, the flag raising ceremony is over. So time to go and do more. Welcome to Baguio Paparazzi.